Hello guys, welcome to Full Send RCPH, and today lalagyan natin ng bullets, 5mm bullets ang itong ating Hobbywing Max 10 G2 na ikakabit ko sa short course truck. So what you need is a pair of pliers, a good quality soldering lead. This is Kester brand. Some flux, something to hold your bullets with. Pwede na rin if you have a helping hand, pwede yun. And of course, our soldering iron. This one is a USB powered soldering iron. I recommend you use a 60-watt iron and above. Huwag po yung 40 watts kasi nag-heat soak yung mga components if you with the 40 watts kasi nga mabagal siya mag-init. The stronger your iron, the better para you can go in and out when you solder your components, which is better. So let's begin. So what we want to do is lagyan natin ng konting paste yung ating bullets. Once we have our iron heated up, we clean it with our sponge. See, it's clean. You get your soldering lead, an adequate amount, then we apply solder to both sides, heat up our pad. Masyadong malaki yung tip ko for the pad. Yeah, I think it's flowing na. Yun, nice. Nice shiny pad. Let's clean the tip again. Let's apply the heat. Here we go. Feed some solder in there. And we're good. Next thing we want to do is remove the existing XT60. What I like to do is keep the iron relatively hot. We're at 380 degrees right now. 380 if you can read that. Load up your solder, your tip, and then heat it up. Itong mga to, ang tawag gamit sa solder nila is ROS or lead-free solder. Matigas talaga yan siya. Mahirap siya unsolder. So, hanapin nga natin yung dulo. Okay, here we are. Press your soldering iron there until it's melted. Yeah, it's shiny na. Yun, there it goes. Again, clean your tip with the copper or bronze sponge. Other side. Needs more solder. I'm trying to preserve na connector kasi magagamit pa yun siya sa ibang projects natin. Yun, there it goes. So, wipe it down. Put a little bit of solder again. The reason I do this is so I can preserve the tip. Palagi talaga may solder meron. Ayusin natin tong connector. There we go. Keep it together for another day. Lagyan natin sa ating lagayan. Okay. And now, we need to have a little bit of fresh solder on the leads para hindi siya mahirap ihinang mamaya. Let me turn on my solder again kasi mabilis mag-shut down. Pero kung may ADHD talagang palagi kong nililinisan yung tip. What we do is get our tip under there. Paano ba to? Sandali siguro kung ganito. Feed your solder to the piece and not the iron. Yan lang. Let's hila tayo more. A little more solder. Patong siya. Feed into your workpiece, not the iron. Yan. Busog na yan. So that's it. Now we can connect. I like my plugs to lay flat and not upright, so dito natin to. Oh yeah, bago pala yan, lagyan mo natin ang heat shrink para sa dulo. Oh no, we don't need heat shrink. Fill your solder. Then hit the wire and the pad. I did that wrong. Let's do it again. This is where our pliers will come into play kasi mainit na yung wire. Grab the tip, heat the pad, there I have our first connection. Second one. Wipe it down again. Grab our tip. Heat the wire and hit the pad at the same time. you go. We're done. Again, before you turn off your soldering iron, fill it with lots of solder so the tip does not corrode. Yan. Turn it off, put it back in the holder. So let's see our work. Pwede na. See, the solder joints are nice and shiny. So that's it, guys. That's how you add bullets to your ESCs. So catch you on the next one.